Hello guys, this is Unpossible PG. Today I shall teach you how to redirect to login page if not logged in and how to block the direct URL access. Both things have the same solution. If I log in step by step, it will give me access to sensitive data. First, let me create PHP file to login. The another file is the check to check the login, and third one is the sensitive data. If you already created files, then you can skip the video forward. So now the program is flowing correctly. Now time for the main coding. First, start the session at the beginning where you are checking username and password. Create a session variable and give any random value. Now in the PHP tag of sensitive data file, type following. At the ending of that page, close the curly braces which we started at the top of the page. Now, if I try to access sensitive data file through URL, it will redirect me to login page rather than show the data inside it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.